As greenhouse gas emissions from global energy production increase the rate of climate change, the need for a multitude of alternative and sustainable energy production sources increases. The vast majority of conventional energy production sources rely on fossil fuels, which include oil and natural gas, otherwise known as methane. These conventional energy sources account for the majority of the greenhouse gas emissions from the energy sector, and the emissions are increased when accounting for the environmental impact that occurs from extracting these conventional fuel sources. In order for the global energy sector to transition sustainably, a multitude of diverse and environmentally sustainable energy production systems must be implemented. This need encompasses the aims of the Kvasir Project. The Kvasir Project's goals are to design innovative energy production systems that utilize untapped resources, which do not emit greenhouse gases. One major resource that is currently not utilized is rainwater that falls through storm drains in existing structures. With this resource in mind, the Kvasir Project developed the Kvasir I, which is a prototype that is designed to generate 100 watts of energy from moderate rainfall. The Kvasir I works by utilizing the force of gravity on rainwater that falls through a storm drain pipe. The rainwater is then funneled through a nozzle that spins a turbine, which then spins a specialized alternator. The spin of the alternator then generates electricity, which can then be sent directly to the electrical grid or to a power storage source. The Kvasir I has many different areas of application, ranging from Europe and North America to the global south, which includes Africa and Asia. The only requirement for the Kvasir I to generate electricity is a constant flow of rainwater, so areas with an abundance of precipitation are ideal for the implementation of these devices. The Kvasir I does not only produce electricity when it rains, but it can be aesthetically pleasing and it can be seamlessly integrated into existing structures. The Kvasir Project's funding relies heavily on donations and individual investments, so if you would like to help the Kvasir Project, you can do so today by going to www.kvasirproject.com